Yeah, so like the decor?
I like the decor.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, right? Yeah, really nice.
Hey,
Relax.
tomorrow you go into the pool. The artwork.
Artwork nice. Hey, babes, can I do this one? Can I do that one? Oh, my leg, you're so heavy. A little bit to your left. That's outside, guys, of course. Come on there, walk that little stretcher. Walk that little stretcher.
From the neutral point, it's really exciting for all the supporters over the world because they're winning the league 10 times in a row. I'm not saying they might still do this and wanting to make a substitution as well. That's a sad sack. And that one is confused. I think that's an opportunity to come back. That surprised me a little bit. Well, they took their chance when it came. I think they probably only had the one shot on target. Good they have. That's a good ball in. Muller really had difficulty being able to do something with that because the ball was in.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. As you guys can see, we are in an hotel room. We are actually in Edmonton, Alberta. If you guys haven't seen our road trip video, please go ahead and watch that video. We are fresh after probably 5.5 hours drive.
Yes.
We are dreaded. We are bleeding right now. So it's just a basic room, guys. So we just wanted to just do a sit down, just to kind of give you guys what an idea of what an hotel room would cost in Edmonton. Many of you guys who are thinking of migrating to Canada probably don't have anywhere to stay yet, and you want to have an idea of like what an hotel would cost. Is it feasible? Now, what I would like to say is we did get this room on a discounted basis because we know somebody who works with the hotel that we're staying at, so we get friends and family discount. Big up yourself, by the way. You know who you are. So we ended up paying $89 per night, but we got a discount, a 40% discount. It would have cost us roughly probably $140 per night. So for 2 nights, it cost us $199 in comparison to costing us probably $280 something. So we save ourselves $80. Now, what we get with this room, guys, is just. Come, you want to say something? Come.
Food on your nose.
Food on. What we get with this room, guys, is just the basic amenities, right? So, bed, bathroom is really nice, as you guys might have seen, and TV, nothing special, right? So, all in all, most hotel rooms here in Canada is pretty similar, right? You don't get all-inclusive. Is there any all-inclusive in Canada?
I don't know.
Not that we know of. Now, we have stayed at quite a few hotels. Some hotels give you breakfast with your stay. Some hotel does not, right? Now, it depends on what you want. It all depends. Depends on the province, depends on the city, and all of those stuff, right? Yes. If you're in Edmonton and you would like to connect with us, we're here for another couple days. Just drop a comment or just send us a message. We would love to connect with as many of you guys as possible. We had no idea that Edmonton would have been so cold, by the way.
No.
It feels like we're still in Grand Prairie.
Always the same province and
Yeah.
stuff, but expecting the temperature a little bit.
A little bit warmer. A little. Yeah. Oh, I know what you want. I know what you want. Yeah. I know what you want. Yeah. So, the temperature is pretty much the same as what we left in Grand Prairie. We are about to get some food. Don't know what we're gonna get yet. Hopefully we'll find a Jamaican restaurant that is still open and see if we can, get our taste buds fulfilled. Apart from the fact that we're starving right now, so either way we have to find something to eat. So we're just gonna give you guys a quick tour officially of what the room looks like. If you haven't already done so, smash a like on the video drop a comment on the video and subscribe. Okay, see you guys on the official tour. Yes guys, as soon as you come through the front door, you have this little kitchenette, right? So you have your coffee maker, you have a mini fridge, and you have a microwave. Now you have an ironing board that is tucked in the side right here, so I don't know what's going on right there. And I'll iron right on top of the microwave. Now, most hotels that we've been into, you have a closet that you can actually put your jackets in. And if it is that you are going to be there for a while, you can actually store some clothes. And it comes with probably even a safe. I don't know if they're trying to conserve right here, but there's no closet right here. And I find that very disappointing, to be honest. Because right now, our jacket is thrown over our chair. Okay guys, let's go into the bathroom. Now, not gonna lie, bathroom is very nice. That's me, by the way. Bathroom is very nice, guys. We have a tub if you want to have a bath. That's nice. And you also have a standing shower. Standing shower is one of my favorite things because, yeah, you can splash as much as you want to splash. And, you know, wet up the bathroom for not to complain. Standard toilet. Towel rack. What are these? I was just about to say that they didn't give us any soap or whatever, but yeah, just a little sachet of soap and conditioner and stuff. Rags, towels, toiletries, wipes. That's Malika. There's this nice little full body mirror, so if you want to like see yourself fully. Okay guys, directly out the bathroom you have two beds, because we chose the room that had two queen beds. So the beds are queen size, which is pretty decent. 1, 2, and we got a crib for Malia, right? Nice and clean. The sheets and everything feels clean. I haven't really been on it as yet. Malika, leave the radio please, thank you. Okay, I haven't really been on it yet, but it seems pretty clean. We have the safe that I was talking about down there. A little storage thing right here that will just pretty much throw everything on. We have this really long table, which I think is going to be very useful, especially now that we're going to be ordering some food, right? And that's a TV standard. I think this is 32-inch. Aki going on. Welcome to Canada. Right? Then, bless you. Over here we have this table, which is also can be used for dining, so that's also good. And I think we're gonna be living here for a couple nights, so it's very good to have somewhere to sit and eat. And we have our AC/heater right here, and this is a 360 of what the room looks like. Okay guys, and as I said, this cost us $89 per night, but 40% discounted. As per view, the view is nothing to write home about, but give thanks. It's not Grand Prairie we're looking at. It's not Grand Prairie. That's what the view is looking like right now. Outside is so cold right now. I'm surprised as to how cold it is, as I said. I did not expect Edmonton to be as cold as it is, coming from Grand Prairie. Now that is the beautiful outskirts of Edmonton. We're actually in Sherwood Park, which is located like 20 minutes outside of the city center. So that's where we're staying. Now we're about to go and find some food. If you haven't already liked the video, guys, please like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more of these lovely content where we share our Canadian experience, the good, the bad. And now, if you're a representative from Sandman, what you guys did well. The customer service at the front was pretty well. It's nothing that we found anything negative to say about. They were pretty patient with us, and they were all smiling, and they made us feel welcome. So that's something that is very good. What I didn't like is the fact that there's no closet. Not gonna lie, I would prefer to have a closet to put my jackets and stuff is instead of it being an eyesore, which is this thing that you guys left us with right here. First to put our jackets and stuff, which is right beside the TV, which is right in the middle of the room. This can be an eyesore. I would prefer a closet rather than that standing mirror, but that's just me. Now we're gonna be here for another couple days. Hopefully you guys can make us feel better based on the interactions that we have over the next couple of days. We're gonna be logging off now, guys. Gonna go and get some food and see you guys in the next video. Peace.